multiple for IR use cases, empowered by machine learning, augmented reality, and simulation. Create a single unit customized delivery model. From optimal selection, intelligent design, agile production to adaptive quality assurance. AR and AI technologies to prevent key quality and assembly error, shaping first-class product quality. iManager and iEfficiency system provide suggestions of operation and maintenance. iBuilding service help users achieve stable, efficient, and low-cost operations, reducing market service complaint rates by 37% and warranty repair costs by 21%. Midea iBuilding platform. Through system-level process optimization, digital energy management, energy structure transformation, carbon offsetting, and other zero-carbon actions, the factory has achieved carbon neutrality goal and obtained PAS 2060 carbon neutrality certification.